Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to create JAP. So I'm already on JAP dashboard. You can see that this is the free tier JAP. It gives you 14 days trial and you can create one easy JAP flow workflow and you can test it. You can use the Google form also. You can see that home asset template and JAP. It is support multiple applications. You can see Gmail, Google Form, and thank you. These are the templates. You can see that you can check out. You can try it yourself. If you will say comment it out or explain more, I will go in deep in this. And these are the topics. The JAP posted it. You can check it out. They are very well explained. Get started. Get started with Zapier. These are cool. You can easily read it out or test it out. And so today we will create one small Zapier using the Copilot, and in a single click you use the Google form and send the thank you email to that person. So I'm going to create one workflow using the Copilot. So create a workflow workflow for girls from and send thank you notif notification to Gmail. Mm, Thank you mail notification to Gmail. Now just send it. You don't need to go manually create that. It will create for you. Yeah. Now you go click on this button, continue with chat editor. Mm. It is creating now. You can see that. You can stop it or build it. Mm, yeah. Wait till it's green. Yeah. Mhm. You can see that sign. It means it's working. It is in progress. We have to wait it. Yes. Now you can see it's green. It means it's created. Chat flow is created. Now you can see that green. It means this is created. This is a trigger, and this is the notification where we are going to send it. Google form, contact information. This is fine. This is not fully set up. You can see that sign. It means it is not set up yet. We have to configure it. And you can see the green sign. It means it's already configured by the Copilot. You don't need to go and manually do it. You can see that setup configured. You can test also, but we will test it fully. Go and Gmail setup. You can see that it's few of them information already filled. Gmails and active send, we are sending the email. That's why event is send email. This is the trigger and this is the event send email. Account is, this is my account. Okay, now continue. Yes, this is two. How we can do that, slash, and you can see that two is respond email. Leave CCC as it is. No need to. Form name, I'm writing down my name. Reply to thank you message. Body is plain. Body type is thank you. This is the thank you message. And now continue. Yes. Now the both steps are done. Now you can test it also. Test steps. Message sent. Now you can see your Gmail account. It will take little time, but it's done. Tested. Yeah. First app. Can you see that thank you message? Not this one. We have to see that. So test is complete. Now just submit it. It will take little time, almost 10 seconds. Success, your JAP is live now. Go to form. In JAP section, you can see that your JAP, recently updated JAP. And you can see that green button, right? It's on means it's live. And off me, how you can, these are the recently what you did is, and you can go home, assets, and go in JAPs. Now you can see your JAP recently created. Status, it's on app. We are using two apps, Google Form and Gmail. That is location. And you can give the ownership to other person also. You can check the history, view history. You can move in folder. You can create template also for that. What for messaging, thank you message, what template you want to send. We will create another video for this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.